it's your girl Heidi Lew, and this is Heidi Lew Hollywood Abs. Have you ever wanted abs? Do you want a stronger core? Well, I'm here to help. My name is Heidi Lew, and I love ab workouts. Well, I didn't always love ab workouts.
Come on, get it up. Keep it up. Almost there. Keep it going. 1.
I have been an athlete my entire life. I ran track, cross country, played basketball, soccer, tennis, swimming, biking, jump roping, double dutching. I was even in the circus club, guys. Yeah, the circus club. So I love staying active. But one thing universal between all of those sports was having a strong core. I know there are a ton of fitness videos out there, but on this channel, Heidi Lew Hollywood Abs, we are going to focus on getting a strong core. The definition of the word core is the central or most important part of something. So why not focus on our abs, our core, and the most important part of our body? You guys, I am super excited to show you all of these exercises. We're going to do exercises all around the city, right here in Hollywood, Los Angeles, California. We will do exercises that you can do in your own home as well. We're going to do some here on this set, and I'm going to show you some great food and tips for food and eating and recipes that you can make in your own home as well. Because what do they say? Abs are made in the kitchen, and that's not a complete lie. What you eat is very important. So all of the workouts we're going to do is going to gear towards having a great core and getting those abs that you want and desire. I'm so excited you're on this fitness journey with me. I post new videos every Wednesday, so don't forget to smash that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and don't forget to like and share with your friends so you know when new videos are posted and all of your friends know too. You guys, I'm super excited for this fitness journey. We're gonna have so much fun, and I can't wait because next week, next Wednesday, is the season 2 premiere. So if you're new to the channel, don't forget to smash that subscribe button. And if you've already subscribed, then you guys, it's here. Season 2 starts next Wednesday, and I will see you all next week. Bye, guys!